The EASTPLUS Slushie Machine 68-ounce model uses a built-in compressor, so it chills drinks into a true slush without needing any ice or watering down the flavor. Its 300-watt motor and continuous stirring system freeze and blend most mixtures in well under an hour, giving consistently smooth results for both kids and adults. The generous 68-ounce capacity is well suited to family gatherings or parties, and the front spout makes it easy to pour drinks directly into glasses with little mess. With multiple preset programs for slushies, cocktails, milkshakes, and more, the machine doubles as a versatile dessert maker rather than a single-purpose gadget. The controls are straightforward with a clear display, so it is easy to adjust texture and thickness even if you have never used a frozen drink machine before. A self-cleaning cycle and dishwasher-safe removable parts make maintenance simple, encouraging frequent use without dreading cleanup afterward.